it shut all the way? Now turn it. Can you turn it? Turn it so it fits all down in there. Turn it down like that. Now it's shut.
Time to switch gears. Now that we packed the trunk, let's unpack it.
Just making sure all your luggage was there. I'm supposed to keep my hands up.